Okay, I crashed. Not too bad. Hurt my thumb. Clutch is still fine, which is nice. Yeah, I biffed. I crashed.
Did you?
Yeah, I hurt my thumb.
How did it happen?
Well, because I was coming up here, and then I went through the little bit rougher section, and it kind of threw me off the line, and I had to cut across this, like threw me across this, but it was on a little side slope, and the front tire just slid out.
Are you okay though?
Everything but my hand. So I'll be able to ride, but I'll have to go slow.
Yeah, sure, you can go in front of me.
Okay.
You get on film?
Yeah. They ripped the camera off the side there. That might actually look good. No, it's in my backpack. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, like here. Like I got bounced around and my front tire wanted to go across here, so it must have like slid out on something.
Yeah.
But it just let go like nothing.
Yeah, you can see it definitely. I'm glad you're okay.
Thanks.
It wasn't on a trickier bit.
What's that?
It could have been a lot worse.
Oh yeah, it's like all it did is scuff that up. But that's probably a $200 piece of plastic.
Yeah, it'll probably just screw back on or something.
This won't go.
Bag?
Actually, I was turning it the wrong way.